Dear viewers, thank you very much for watching me and subscribing my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the new entrepreneurs, the importers or exporters. Actually, being a newcomer in this industry or in this sector of business, they are, normally they are maybe lack of experience. Maybe it will be a little bit complex to them. Maybe they will just find it costly, and they might not understand the fluctuating dollar rate and this and that things, many things. So before you start thinking about importing something to your respective country from China, especially from China, then you have to think about two things, about importing two things first. Choosing your product very well. I mean to say, you must analyze this, you must examine, or you must rethink about the product you are focusing to buy from China. Is it okay politically, religiously, or maybe in other aspect, in your social environment it is okay, and about the price it is okay for your country? Then only you can knock some Chinese businessman for give you the supply. But before that, you have to study a lot, analysis a lot. And then my second point is, yes, obviously, the suppliers. If you want to do the good business, if you want to do the business right, then you have to find the right supplier. Otherwise, your business surely going to ruin. Because a bad supplier will end up your business in a bad situation, and maybe in debt, who knows. So if you find the price very cheapest, I suggest you not to go there. You just judge, you just compare the price, the reputation of the company, and then give the order to them. If you find 19 and 20, it's okay. But if you find other company is 20, 19 and 50 cents, but this company is giving you $16 only, then there is something really very, very wrong. Because if he is not honest, the supplier is not honest, you are actually just waiting for his honesty. If he is not honest in quality, quantity and other things, then it is really enough to stop your business, or really enough to finish up your business. Be careful about that. So one thing, if you cannot, my suggestion is that if you cannot gain by buying, you cannot gain by selling in this import business. And for now, I want to give you a turning point in your life. Maybe you are a good people of nice family background, good reputation, have little bit money to invest, and you are a very good student, you know everything good, nicely, you want to lead your life very nicely, but maybe something is lacking, and that is inspiration. And that's the thing I am doing for you. There are many videos around in the internet world around there. You can just find it out. But one thing I want to say, that once you have them all, the qualities, then it is right time for you to move ahead, to start your business, to equip your life, because that is the ultimate goal of our life. So my dear viewers, if you really want to export something to Hong Kong and China, especially in Hong Kong, because Hong Kong, the city, is a business city, and something and anything you think is better for international market, is handmade maybe, or your local production maybe, so you just can send the photographs and details to my Facebook page, raintelefilm, as same page, as the same name as my YouTube channel, raintelefilm, the Facebook page. And then you can send me the photos and the prices and details, anything and everything, because this is also very important, because Hong Kong companies, many of the Hong Kong companies also re-export to international worlds, which may be not possible for you, but you can always try in Hong Kong first. And as it is a business hub, and many companies are doing many things, re-exporting, reselling some kind of things. So you always can do that. So thank you very much for giving me time and watching my video, and I hope it will be a turning point for you. Start for business, build up your life. Good luck. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.